forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss properties of determinants. Property number 1. The value of determinant remains unchanged if its rows and columns are interchanged. That is, determinant of matrix A equal to determinant of its transpose. Let us consider a matrix A is equal to 5, 4, 3, 4. Take different number. Then transpose of A means interchanging its rows and column. 5 and 4 are in R1. So write in place of column 1. 3 and 6 in R2. Write in place of column 2. Therefore, determinant A is equal to 5, 3, 4, 6 is equal to 5 into 6, 30 minus 4, 3 are 12 is equal to 18. And determinant of transpose of A is equal to 5, 4, 3, 6. 5, 6 are 30, 4, 3 are 12. Is equal to 18. So in each case, value of determinant A and determinant A dash are equal. Therefore, determinant A equal to transpose of determinant A. Hence true. Next property. If A and B are two square matrices of same order, then determinant of product of two matrices equal to product of their individual determinants. Let A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 4 and B is equal to 2, 2, 4, 3. Then determinant A is equal to this into this minus this into this. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. And determinant B is equal to 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, determinant A into determinant B is equal to 5 into minus 2 minus 10. Now find product of matrix A and B. So AB is equal to 2, 3, 1, 4. 2, 4, 2, 3. Now simplify. Row by column. 2 into 2, 4 plus 4. Now 2 to 4 plus 3. Now R2 into C1, 3 into 2, 6. 4 4 ja 16. 3 2 ja 6, 4 3 ja 12. Now simplify. 8, 7, 22 and 18. Therefore, determinant AB is equal to 8 into 18 minus 7 into 22. 8 8 is 64, carry 6. So 144, 18 8 is 144 and 22 7 is 154. So 144 minus 154 minus 10. Therefore, determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. Next property. 3. If any two rows or columns of a determinant are interchanged, then sign of the determinant changes. Means numerical value remains same. For example, let del equal to 5, 4, 3, 2. Now simplify this determinant. 5 into 2, 10 minus 12 is equal to minus 2. If we interchange its two rows R1 and R2, interchanging R1 and R2, then we get new determinants. Del1 equal to 3, 2. In place of R2 write R1, or in place of R1 write R2, or in place of R2 write R1. So 5, 4. अब now simplify. 3 4 is 12, 5 2 is 10. So equal to 2. So if we interchange its two rows or two columns, numerical value remains same. Only sign will be changed. If minus 2 then plus 2, plus 2 then minus 2. Property 4. If any two rows or columns of a determinant are identical, means corresponding elements are equal, then value of determinant is 0. Then equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2 and 1, 2, 3. Clearly column 1 and column 3 are equal. So value of determinant is 0. Now cross check. Expanding along R1. 1 into determinant obtained by eliminating first row and first column. This is first column and this is first row. So only simplify this. 3 3 is 9, minus 2 2 is 4. Now minus sign, then write 4. This time eliminating first row and second column. So 2 3 is 6, minus 6, plus 1. 2 2 is 4, minus 9. 9 minus 4 5, 6 minus 6 0, 4 minus 9 minus 5. So next time wherever any two rows, any two columns are identical, value of determinant is 0 without any calculation. Property 5. If corresponding elements of any two rows or columns are proportional, then value of determinant is 0. For example, del equal to 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Just see row 1 and row 3. 2 upon 4, 1 by 2. 3 upon 6, 1 by 2. 4 upon 8, 1 by 2. So R1 is proportional to R3. The value of this determinant is 0. Now cross check by calculation. Expanding along R1. 2 into eliminating first one first column. So 8 minus 12 minus 3. 8 3 is 24, minus 4 2 is 8, plus 4. 18 minus 4. 8 minus 12 minus 4 into 2 minus 8. 24 minus 8, 16 3 is 48. 18 minus 4, 14 4 is 56. And 56 minus 56, 0. So if any two rows or columns are identical, then without any calculation you can write value of determinant is 0. Property 6. If each element of a row or column of a determinant is multiplied by a constant k, then its value gets multiplied by k. That is, by this property we can take out any common factor from any one row or any one column of a given determinant. Let n equal to 5, 6, 3, 4. Simplify. 5 4 ja 20 minus 6 3 ja 18 is equal to 2. अब now multiply any row by any constant. Then we get new determinant. Del 1 equal to, just multiply R1 into 3 R1. Then we get new determinant del 1. 3 into 5 15, 3 into 6 18, 3 3 is 9, sorry 3 as it is, 4 as it is. Only 3 into R1, so 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18. Now simplify. 15 4 is 60 and 18 3 is 54 is equal to 60 minus 54, 6. 6 we can write 3 into 2 is equal to 3 into all determinant, because determinant value of determinant is 2. So 3 into del. So when we multiply any scalar with R1, then new determinant get multiplied with 3. Next property. If some or all elements of a row or column of a determinant are expressed as sum of two or more terms, then the determinant can be expressed as sum of two or more determinants. For example, if column row 1 contains x plus a, y plus b, z plus c, and row 2 contains x, y, z, and row 3 a, b and c. In first row there are two elements, two or more elements in plus or addition and subtraction. Then we can break into two determinants. In first determinant we write x, y, z, and in second determinant we write a, b and c. And remaining rows as it is: x, y, z, a, b, c, x, y, z, a, b, c. In this way we can simplify the determinant. When we break, then what happened? R1 equal to R2. So value of first determinant is 0. R1 equal to R3. So value of second determinant also 0. So calculation is easier. Next property. If A is a square matrix of order n, means n by n, then determinant n is square into A equal to k raised to the power n into determinant A. To verify this, first we will take 3 by 3 matrix and generalize the proof. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Therefore, n is square into A is equal to k, 2k, 3k, 4k, 5k, 6k, 7k, 8k, 9k. Therefore, determinant of k is equal to determinant of this k, 2k, 3k, 4k, 5k, 6k, 7k, 8k, 9k. Now, taking common k from R1, k from R2 and k from R3. So k into k into k, k cube, or we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is equal to k cube into this is determinant. We can expand this result for order n also. If there are n rows, then we can take in common k n times. So k into n times means k raised to the power n. So determine k into a is equal to k raised to the power n into determine a. Property 9. If A is a skew symmetric matrix of odd order, then determine A equal to 0. Let AB is skew symmetric matrix of order n in bracket odd. N is odd number. Then if A is skew symmetric matrix means transpose of A equal to minus A. Two matrices are equal, then their determinant also equal. So determinant of A dash equal to determinant of minus A. Determinant of transpose of A is equal to determinant of A is equal to determinant A property 1 and determinant minus A. We can write determinant minus 1 into A. Determinant A is equal to, in place of this we can write minus 1 raised to the power n and determinant A. By previous property, determinant K is equal to K raised to the power n into determinant A. Because A is square matrix of order n, that's why we can write K means minus 1 raised to the power n. Determinant A is equal to minus 1 raised to the power any odd number, minus 1 into minus 1 raised to the power 3. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, so minus. Send that side, so 2 times determinant A equal to 0. So value of determinant A is equal to 0. Next property. The value of determinant remains the same if we apply the operations Ri tends to Ri plus K into Rj or Ci tends to Ci plus K into Cj. Means elementary operation. Let del equal to 4, 3, 2, 3. I take different number, or let's be 5. Is equal to 4 5 is 20 and 3 2 is 6 is equal to 14. If we apply this operation, R1 tends to, in place of I take R1, so R1 plus any constant 3 into R2. So we get new determinant. Now R1 means 4 plus 3 into R2. 3 2 is 6 plus 4 10. 3 into R2. 3 plus 3 into 5 15 plus 3 18. And 2 5. Now simplify. 10 5 is 50 minus 18 2 is 36. Answer remains same. Value of determinant remains same. Now we can apply column. C1 tends to C1 plus C2. Then we get new determinants del 2. Delta 2. 4 plus 3. C1 C2. So 4 plus 3 7. 2 plus 5 7. Now simplify. 7 5 is 35 minus 7 3 is 21 is equal to 14. It means if we apply any elementary operation, then value of determinant remains same. In next lecture, we will do question based on properties of determinant. Thank you. Have a nice day.